So here are some important updates for the 60 days POTD challenge. And if you don't know about the challenge, you can just watch the video. I've shared both the links in Hindi and English. You can watch both the videos and understand the program. Now here the major update is that the post is updated today only, and what they made changes over here, I will just explain you in detail. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel. Now they have added that earlier it was required to post on LinkedIn only. Now they have added and over the Twitter, that is X. You must be knowing about Twitter. So now you need to post the same post which you have posted on the LinkedIn on Twitter also using the same hashtag, and they have mentioned the official handles also by tagging them. So in case you have already posted in LinkedIn and day one has passed, do not worry. You can post it again on Twitter itself. There is not a single issue over there. Just copy the same template and images and post over there. Now coming over here, most of you are asking that we have to do this daily. Yes, you heard it right. You have to repeat the process for entire 60 days from today till 60 days, and on the last day, I think they'll update this also. So whenever a new update comes, I'll update it. Do not worry about it. So you have to just make a post on the 60th day that what you have learned from this event in simple words, and do the same hashtag and tagging both the companies. Okay. So as of now, just start posting on both, that is LinkedIn and Twitter. And how to create an account, it's very simple. And the rule, how you'll be getting the swag. So you'll be getting tumbler, bag, keychain, pop socket, and connect coupon. Now here the best thing is that after 27th of April, they'll be sending you a Google form for all the people who have maintained their streak. Now most people are saying that not everyone will be getting the swags. If you have maintained your streak, means you have completed daily challenges till 60 day without missing a single day. If you miss any single day, then you are not eligible. But if you have continued for entire 60 days, then you'll be getting the swags. There you have to mention your details and match your POTD name. Okay. So they'll ask for profile URL, I think so, and there you have to share that thing. And also you have to share your social profile link for verification, means your LinkedIn and Twitter account. And once all these things and the 60-day verification is done, you will be getting the rewards, or maybe another form will come where you have to enter your address. So this was the quick update I wanted to share because it's very important. If you are following the channel, then you should get each moment updates whenever they make some changes. It would be better if they could have done beforehand, before the challenge started, but no matter, we are updating everything. So do like the video and subscribe the channel, and if you're interested in other events, you can always explore the channel. Do like the video and have a great day.